So I was in here in the shop the other day doing some framing, grabbed my trusty Paslode, and that happened. That means it needs to be rebuilt. Today I'm going to show you how I break this down and what it takes to fix it. So hopefully this will be a pretty quick and simple fix and a quick video for you guys. But like I said, my Paslode F350s did break down on me the other day. Started leaking a bunch of air out of the back plate. Tore it down, saw what the problem was. It seems to be the most common issue with these, which I'll show you what that is here in a moment. But I jumped on Amazon, grabbed a rebuild kit for about 20 bucks, not expensive at all. I'll leave a link for this down in the description below so you can see what I'm going to be using here. But we'll go ahead, take the back plate off, show you what the issue is and how I repair it. Right, just grab an Allen wrench to take off this back plate here, held on by 4 screws. Take the back plate off, take our gasket off, and you can actually probably already see what the issue is. Actually, that gasket I'm gonna leave on. Gasket's intact, I'm not gonna replace it. But if you can see, this ring here is busted there, it's chipped all the way around here. That's where all that air flow is coming through. It's not making a good seal. As you can see there in the cap, some of it's left over. So that's the part that we're gonna replace. Now you can pull the cylinder out, you can take this screw out, and there's going to be a couple of O-rings inside of here. If you want to replace those, you can. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to replace this one ring here, see if that's going to fix my problem, and save those for a rainy day just in case anything else goes wrong in the future. What we're after is this little ring here. Take that off. Should fit right on there. So I'll go ahead and take this off and make sure I got all the pieces out and go from there. And actually you can see down here in the bottom of the cylinder, a couple pieces fell down. So I'll fish those out, get this thing replaced, put it back together. Hopefully that'll fix your problem. I just want to check everything out to make sure there were no pieces in here, which there are. One piece in there. Clean the rest of this out, get it put back together. Just take this out too. It will break off. There we go. Pull the plastic ring off. Looks like it kind of snaps down on there. I'm gonna clean this off pretty good. All right, I'm just gonna use some of this super white grease, lithium grease here. Just getting a little bit along the top here. Get that ring to slide on a little bit easier. Alright, take the ring here. It's got a little lip to go over, so you just kind of work it around the edges. That's on there good. It's all flat and flush. Alright, I'm going to throw a little bit of grease on a few spots here, and then just start throwing it back together. Alright, take the cylinder, throw it back in. Grease this up just a little bit. Put that on. Now just got to line that up with the hole here in the gasket. And screw the back plate back on. Alright, hopefully when I hook this up, there won't be any air leaking out of the back. Ooh, it's a good sound. All right, see if it works. Now let's see if it works. There we go. And I have a splinter in my hand now. Doesn't feel great. So there you go, guys. A quick 15-minute fix for your Paslode F350s framing gun. I'm gonna get back to work now. I've got walls that I'm putting together back here in my shop. I've actually got a video on some finished walls in another section of the shop that I will post a link to down in the description below. But I hope this video helped you guys out. I appreciate you guys watching Life of Bliss, and I'll see you soon. Now, I am getting back to work here, actually, and I mean, you can stick around. If actually, no, you can't. No, you can leave. The door's that way. So, all right, I'll see you guys later.